Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Darrell Addison. I'm the founder and inventor of a growing process that grows hundreds and thousands of pounds of food with no human intervention. About 1,000 peppers, cayenne peppers. Growing about 300 tomatoes. And then we have carrots, about 100 carrots in 24 inches. Radish, we do about maybe about 100 pounds of radish. Grow multiple seasons. We have collards. And I wanted to do something great today. We have the cabbage. And let me tell you something. Cabbage is so resilient. We put them in our torpedo pots and they just literally just grow. Grow, 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 grow. And I love them. And I love them. Now I've got to come harvest them now because isn't that beautiful? That is so beautiful. Man, you have to forgive me. I saw some little beetles, so I've sprayed them with a caustic sauce that I have of sodium chloride, non-toxic. And I've got rid of the worms, but it caused some little damage to the leaves, but that's fine. They are so beautiful. Aren't they beautiful? These are my torpedo pots. These are self-growing planters. Now I've got to make my harvest. I've got to make my harvest today. And I want you guys to be with me when I make my harvest. There's a lot of life taking place in these planters. See, all you do is put your seeds or your plants in the planter and they grow your food for you. You never have to grow your food again. It grows everything for you. So I'm coming back to take off the outer leaves, not because it's affected by growing, it's because they're nutritious and they're ready to eat. Torpedo pot grows all sorts of plants and edible trees that you cannot grow anyplace else. And it grows hundreds of them. I mean, they're so adorable. They're beautiful. These are my eggplants. Isn't that beautiful? And I've got to come get them because they're turning bad. They're overdue. I've got to come pick my eggplants. And I've got a lot of them. And so I don't have to look or go far for food because food is right on my doorstep. All right, so I'm going to start harvesting this cabbage and I want you guys to see what's going on because they're ready to be eaten. I love it when they're ready to be eaten. Oh, I love this. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.